Hello everyone and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'll show how to enlarge profile picture in Discord. Click on your name. Click on your profile picture. And then click on Edit Profile. Click on your profile once again. Then click on Change Avatar. Click Upload Image. Select the image you want to resize. Then adjust it to your preference. Once you're done, click Apply and save changes. And you're done. Make sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful.